Hey you guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey, it's your girl Tash and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, you guys, as promised, I'm going to be reviewing the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette as well as the lip kit that is next to me. I've already opened mine just to make things easier to get to. I also have a few Essence products here that are new to me to try out, except for this repurchase, which is the Essence Lash Princess. So I did pick up their Pure Nude highlighter and the Brighten Up banana powder. I'm really hoping I love these products. Also going to have some other products going with it, which will be listed down below. So if you guys are curious to see what look I create and how I feel about this palette and the collection, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so my eyes are already primed, and what I did was I went on ahead and set my lid, I almost said shade, with the shade Canvas here in the palette. It's just like a skin tone shade. It's very, very, very creamy. I was really surprised. And the reason I'm so surprised, I guess, is because to me, some e.l.f. shadows like these in these palettes, these $14 palettes, some of the shades I feel like are hit or miss. And it's really hard for me to say that because I have been a long time fan of e.l.f. like literally since the company came into being. And when everything was $1, I've been with them through the $3 phase where they introduced the studio line, when they introduced the mineral line, where they had a bath and body line with like lotions and things like that. There is a fly in here, so you guys might see an ugly side of me. I do not like flies. They are so disgusting. But I can't catch them. So. Y'all will have to excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and grab some brushes, zoom you guys in, and we're going to go ahead and get into it. But before we do, I do want to let you guys know that there will be a link down below where you guys can enter to win one of the bottles from the coldest. I love this bottle. It is guaranteed to keep your water cold for up to 36 hours. And I actually did a test on it. If you're new here, Nick and I tested this. It kept my water cold for 46.5 hours, and it was still cold when I refilled my bottle. So almost 2 days of keeping my water ice cold. I'm here for it. I want to shout out the coldest and tell them thank you for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Let's go ahead and get into the makeup. Alright you guys, so I have you up close and personal. We're going to go ahead and start out with this peach shade here. I'm going to do something that will like kind of match my shirt, so something kind of orangey, peachy, vibey. But before we do, I did forget to read you guys what the back of the palette says. I thought it was really cute. It says the Retro Paradise collection was designed by a team of beauty influencers. Hey girl, hey! Inspired by the vibrancy of the Bahamas with sunset-like hues. This collection takes you to paradise wherever you are. It is very paradisey, and I'm here for all of these shades. It's so beautiful. It says Retro Paradise is at your fingertips with this vibrant Bahamas-inspired eyeshadow palette. High shine metallics and ultra pigment mattes and bright and neutral shades allow you to create your own tropical fantasy. You guys all know that e.l.f. is cruelty-free. So, I will insert some swatches after we do the look. Just FYI. Alright, you guys, so going into the palette, I am going in with this shade here. If you are new to my channel, I usually hold up the palette and point for you, and then I let you guys know down in the description box what shades I use, just so I can focus more on reviewing the product than sitting here talking about it. And I talk too much. Okay, you guys, so far right off the bat, I do want to note that these are, so far, the two shades that I have used are nicely pigmented, and they are buildable. So that's nice that you don't dip in and have so much pigment that it's hard to work with. If you guys hear any noise when I'm talking in the background, Nick is downstairs editing one of my videos, so... Our room is right below my studio, so just FYI. I can't get you out of my mind. It's like
I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all night.
Alright you guys, so here are the swatches from the palette. Oh my goodness. Look at that black, you guys. Oh. So these metallic shades here swatched beautifully. They are so creamy and soft. Few of the metallics as well as the mattes can be a little bit chunky, but as you guys saw, they apply beautifully to the eyes. I'm living for this purple and this blue, the peach, the shade right here that's kind of like a duochrome. It shifts green. Oh, you guys. And they have two pastel shades in here that swatched really, really pretty. The black is very, very well made. This brown, this is one swatch, so beautiful. And this white, one swatch, oh my gosh. $14, guys. All right, back to the video.
My life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
Y'all, these are so creamy. So, with the lip kit, this is the Retro Paradise lip kit. You get 4 beautiful, very creamy lip liners. Like, I have not seen this kind of creamy formula from e.l.f. since the Studio collection with the lip liners that had a brush on the other end. These are super creamy. You guys saw me swatch them. They don't tug, they don't pull. There's little to no effort. So, as far as I know, these are all 4 new colors to e.l.f. These are called Nude 1, 2, 3, and then this is called the Vivid lip liner, and then this gloss here is their Dream On lip gloss in a Moment. It says it is a clear gloss with sheer iridescent shimmer. Now, what they say about this little cute collection, it says, get a kiss of paradise with the Line and Shine lip kit. This influencer curated lip kit features a Dream On gloss in a Moment and 4 creamy pigmented liners inspired by the colors of the Bohemian mural paintings. Define, sculpt, and fill your lips with these 4 versatile shades. Wear alone for a matte look or top with a gloss. I think I'm going to try a lip liner and top it with a gloss. I'm trying to see which one. I don't think that pink's gonna go for today. So, I mean, I don't want to be boring, guys, but I think I'm gonna do this middle nude shade. And yeah, I think it's this right here. So, I'll pardon à moi while I get this gloss off my lips. Alright, so I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Just see that? Oh, so pretty. Really quickly, I'm going to fill my lips in. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like with just the lip liner. We're going to go in with the gloss. Super cute packaging. It's got like that same peach vibe. And then it says Retro Paradise here. Nice flat doe foot applicator, so you're going to get a lot of product without having to dip back in. And this is what the gloss looks like. Very pretty. Now at first, I saw glitter and I was like, I'm not putting that on my lips. But it smells kind of citrusy. Before I rub my lips together with this, I'm really hoping that this is like the glitter flip gloss from, or lipstick from Caliente, where you don't feel the glitter in there. Oh no, you feel the glitter in it. So this will be something that I use very rarely as a lip topper, and I kind of wish I wouldn't have used it because I could have just gave this to one of you guys. I don't like when you can feel the glitter in glosses. It drives me crazy. I love the lip liners though. These are super creamy, and I'm gonna get a ton of use out of these, so super happy about these. We're gonna go in and finish the bottom lash line really quickly. I'm not gonna do anything super fancy. Just gonna put one shade underneath of there, and Then I will go off camera, finish my look, and we're gonna talk about these products. So I'm just taking the shade Caliente, which is an orange. All right, y'all, I will be right back. All right, y'all. Y'all, look at my lashes. Girlfriend, do y'all see why everybody raves about this and why I'm so stoked to have it back in my collection? Ooh, it's so good. Okay, I gotta show you guys this eyeliner that I used. It is called Lilac Glitter. It is so pretty. This is the eyeliner I have on my bottom lash line today. And believe it or not, you guys, this is actually from Kleancolor. Told y'all not to sleep on them liners. This is only $1 on their website. And it's called the Liner 101 Eye Pencil. And again, it is called Lilac Glitter. I will link it down below for you guys because I love you so much. But this is the final look. I'm gonna zoom you guys out. Let's talk about these products. Okay, so first of all, hey girl, hey. Second of all, let's talk about the palette. Let's talk about this. So $14 and you get a beautiful, I'm just trying to see how many shades we have up in here. Let's see. Yeah, 18 shades, 18 beautiful, beautiful shades. To me, these are not any repeats that e.l.f. already has in their palettes that I have anyways. And I love, 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 love the metallic shades. I almost call them glitters, but they're not glitters. The only thing I can tell you guys is on this shade, I think this is Paraiso or Paraiso, I'm not sure. This has a little bit of glitter in it, and I did experience fallout, so do your eyes first. But the other ones, oh my goodness. I'm just hooked. Like, I can really see creating a lot of really beautiful, but not super out there looks, you know what I mean? Especially with the pops of color in here. Like, I don't feel like this is too out there for someone that is not, you know, really big on wearing super vibrant colors like the rainbow and things like that. I really think that a lot of my girls that like more neutral palettes and stuff would like this, because you could take all of these neutral shades in here and then just use a lid color for that little pop, or, you know, use a little pop of color on your lash line. And sometimes that's how you really start to get into wearing color and being comfortable with it. I'm not sure if this is limited edition. I don't remember this being on the website saying it was limited edition, like the J. Kissa palette. I'm really excited to play with this some more. I think it's stunning. I really do. I love how they changed the color of the palette to this very beautiful peach color. I love how the packaging is on the front of the palette. It's kind of cheap plastic, but I mean, for $14, I would prefer to have cheap plastic and a better quality formula. Now, in my opinion, I feel like this formula is a little bit better than the other ones. I feel like this is more... I feel like this one's more like the $3 palettes where we got that really amazing formula. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I think it's really beautiful, and I had a blast playing with it. So moving on to the lip kit. You guys already know I really, really love these lip liners. I think that they actually put a pretty decent size in a lip kit. If you think about lip kits and how much Kylie Cosmetics charges for lip kits for just one liner and a gloss, I mean, girl. I want to say I paid $10 for this, but I will link it down below for you guys. If you are interested in picking up either one of these products or any e.l.f. products, I do have a link down below in my Shop With Me online section, where if you guys use that link, you can save some money, and I really appreciate it because it gives me points. So, there are some of you that have already used that link. Thank you so, so much. You guys are the real MVPs. No, seriously though, thank you guys. I always appreciate when you guys use, you know, those kind of links. Like, those are referral links or even my affiliate links, because that goes to support my channel and it means the world to me. So, thank you. The gloss, I'm not a huge fan of this, because you can feel the glitter. Now, I don't feel it as bad as I did earlier, so maybe after you rub your lips together and it kind of sits there for a while, maybe it kind of just, I don't know, it doesn't feel as harsh as it did before, and it is really pretty. I don't like to feel the glitter when I rub my lips together. Drives me crazy. Drives me crazy. All right, guys. Moving on to the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I don't know what took me so long to try this out, but it is beautiful. I absolutely love this. You guys will see this again in a dupes video coming up. It's beautiful. So you can either use this to set your face or use it as, you know, a not so out there highlighter where it's a little more subtle, if you will. Now this one kind of looked a little bit intense today just because I think I had some leftover highlighter in that brush, so that was my bad. Now the next product, I'm actually surprised that I really do like this. I thought this was gonna look dry and chalky underneath my eyes, but it doesn't. It says it is a mattifying compact powder in soft yellow, perfect for concealing and baking, or to use as a banana powder in those highlighted areas of your face. I used quite a bit of this underneath my eyes to set, and I'm really, really liking this. The formula actually reminds me a little bit of my Rimmel Stay Matte. Not the suit, because they have two different formulas of that powder. They have a more mattifying one, and then they just have the regular Rimmel Stay Matte. That's what this reminds me of. It's super creamy feeling, and it just sets the under eyes so beautifully. It's nice and finely milled, so you're not getting those chunks of like powder that's going to cling to dry areas, if that makes sense. I really like this. The one thing that I was bummed about, and I don't think I mentioned this, but I did pick up their Camouflage Healthy Glow Concealer. This is supposed to be light neutral. Y'all, this is bright white. Like, I had to mix this in with my concealer. They only have 2 shades of this, and I'm just like, come on, Essence. Now, I went and ordered this from their website. Usually you can find more colors on a company website. Now, this does claim to be waterproof and have a vitamin complex, which I really don't know because unfortunately it's just way too light for me. I can tell you guys this does have a nice glow, and it appears to have decent coverage. Here is it blended out on my hand. So I was really bummed that they don't have more shades of this. I think I can get away with it though. If I mix it in with another glowy concealer, which I did. I used my Ulta Healthy Glow, Youthful Glow Concealer. So this is nice. It's just, come on, Essence. Come out with more shades. So many of us will love your brand. It's like, I don't understand what's taking them so long. Did I use any new products? No. Everything will be listed down below for you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. What are some e.l.f. products that are on your wish list that you are wanting to try out? Oh, I want to mention today, e.l.f. also just dropped some new shades of their Halo Glow Powder. So if you were curious before, but you're kind of in between light, medium, and deep, go ahead and check out their website. Again, there is that link down below if you want to use it. Never feel obligated. Also, what did I want to tell you guys? They also just released some more new products, a new setting spray, some lip balms. I'm trying to think of what else. It's right on the tip of my tongue, but e.l.f.'s always releasing new products. I'm not sure if I'm going to pick any up yet because I'm eyeing that new Wet n Wild collection, but we'll see. We'll see, guys. All right, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you, as always, for taking time out of your busy day to come hang out with me. It means the world to me. I love you guys to the moon and back. To my loyal supporters, thank you guys so much. I'm telling you, it gets rough sometimes, so I want to keep telling you guys how much I appreciate you. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Tash. Go on and click that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as the bell so that you're notified each time I upload. You guys don't want to miss out on any of the upcoming videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.